Get 2023 of General Aptitude. So it carry 2 mark. Don't neglect the General Aptitude portion, right? So this will be my suggestion. Wherever you will prepare for GATE, don't neglect the General Aptitude portion. It's very costly. See, this question carry 2 mark. 2 marks is very good in GATE exam, right? So let's see a method to do this question. What this question says, Unkita has to climb 5 stairs. Okay, starting at the ground. So he is in the ground and he have to stair, he have to climb 5 stairs, right? How you can, he have two choice. He can move either 1 or 2 stairs, and the second condition is he cannot move to a lower stair. That means if he is in three, if he 1 2 3 like this, like this is your stairs. If he is in the second stair, he cannot come to stair number 1 and then from 1 to 3. He can't. Okay, so these two are conditions of Ankita. Now they said fn a number of possible way, that means how many way he can climb the nth stair. Okay, so they said f of 1 is equal to 1. Look, 1 means only one stair. So how you, if you are in the ground, so how you can go to stair number 1? Just by stair number 1. So you have only one way. Now they said if you have two stair, f of 2, then f of 2 is 2. Look how f of 2 is 2. You have these two stairs, you can go from ground to one floor, and then one number one stair, then from 1 to 2, right? Or directly you can go from ground to 2, right? Because you can move either 1 or 2 stairs up directly. Now they said f of 3 is 3, right? So suppose you have 3 stair, how you can go? You can go from 1, then 1 to 2, then 2 to 3, or you can go directly, or you can go from 1, then 1 to directly 3, or you can go from directly ground to 2, then 2 to 3, right? So that's how f of 3 is 3. Now they said in this way how you will find the value of f of 5. They have given some options. Let's see how we will do. So we have 5 stairs, right? So 1 2 3 4 5, these are 5 stairs. So how many initial stair we have in our choice? We can go either only 1 or 2 stairs, right? So initially we have two choice. We can go to stair number 1 from the ground, or from the ground we can go to stair number 2. So let's classify them, so that what will happen, we will not mistake any calculation. So let's classify them first. Now how will you do? Suppose you are in stair number 1. So when you are in stair number 1, how many way you have in your hand? You have two way, right? You can go from 1 to either stair number, see, you are here, you can go to either stair number 2, or you can go directly from stair number 3, right? So these two way. So I have written here, either I can go to stair number uh, 2 or stair number 3, right? Now if you are in stand number 3, how many way you have? If you are in stand number 3, you can go either 3 to 4, right? Or 3 to directly 5, because you can go to 2 stairs also. Now if you are in 3 to 4, then if you are in stand number 4, how many choice you have? You have no choice. You have to go 4 to 5 directly. So that's how. But if you are in stand number 2 now, right, so if you are in stair number 2, you can go to either stair number 3 or stair 4, right? Like this, you are here. Now how many choice you have? You can either go here, or you can go directly from 2 to 4, right? Now if you are here stair number 3, now how many choice you have? You can either go from 3 to 4, or you can go directly from 3 to 5, right? That's what I write here. Now, if you are in stair number 3, you can go either 3 to 4, or you can go directly from stair number 3 to 5. Now, if you are in 3 to 4, then you have to go 4 to 5, right? Now, how many way you got? You got this, right? So, how many way you got to climb stair number 5 when you are going from ground to 1? So you are here. So see, this is a way, this is one way, this is two. Like, you have to take the full way, right, from 1 to 5. So here you are going 5, here this is another way you are getting, this is another way, this is another way, this is another way. So how many way you have in your hand? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So 5 way you are getting when you are going from ground to stair number 1. Now you have a choice to go from stair number from the ground to stair number 2, right? So now if you are in stair number 2, how many choices you have? So when you are in stair number 2, you have two choices. Either you can go stair number 2 to 3, or you can go stair number from 2 to 4, right? So if you go from 2 to 4, then you have no choice, you are obediently you have to go to 4 to 5, right? So only one way you have this, right? But now if you go from 2 to 3, you have two choices. Either you can go 3 to 4, or you can go 3 to directly 5, right? So if you go from 3 to 4, then you have to go 4 to 5. So how many choices you are have? This is the only way, right? Other than this, think about it, you will got no choice. So this is the only choice. So how many choice you are getting to climb up to 5? How many? This is your one way, this is your another way, and this is your another way. So how many way you are getting? You're getting 1, 2, and 3. So you are getting 3 way, right? So you are getting 3 way, where this 3 way is when you are getting, when you are when you are climbing from ground to stair number 2 directly, right? So that's how. So when you are from ground to stair number 1, you have 5 way. When you are from ground to stair number 2, you have 3 way. So how many way total you have? Totally you have 8 way, right? So let's see, 8 is the option, 8 is in the option or not. Yes, option number A is 8. So A is the right answer. So I hope you understand the video, and again I will suggest that don't neglect the general aptitude part. Okay, thank you.